Hey there YouTube, Sean here from Gordon's Garage. Pretty excited about a new toy I got, or a new product. I just want to do a bit of a box opening for you guys. It's the Milwaukee 21-inch cordless lawnmower. So I'm super excited about it. You know, it's still a little bit, still a little chilly here where I'm at. Still some snow that needs to melt, so it'll be a little bit of time before I get to use it. But let's open it up and see what we got. Oh, look at that. Look at that beauty, M18 Fuel. Let's keep going. Let's drop some batteries in here and see if we can make it go. Pop open the hood, one battery, two battery, and there we go. I'll set that down. It's showing me my battery level, so I've only got 1 bar because I haven't charged these batteries yet. Lights, oh yeah. So we got some nice LED lights that come on, and some on the front as well. Instant power, and it comes to a stop pretty quick too. It's kind of nice. Then you got your 4-speed mode. That turns the, so if I turn that off, okay. So this button here is your high lift mode. So high lift mode lights. So now I'm in regular mode. Still comes up to speed instantly, stops quick. We just gotta get it out, get it mowing. So here's our raise lower. So we got, looks like 7 settings. So that's your lowest. All the way up to your highest, which is things on stilts. So if you want to fold up the handle, turn, give these guys a quarter turn, pull those pins out. And this guy will fold up all the way here. And you can lock them back in place, and then you can actually stand it upright. So pretty slick, nice space saving design. So let's maybe do that real quick. So lock that, lock that. Now grab it and set up. There you go. Ready for storage. And makes it easy to get to the bottom of it, get underneath it. So that's pretty slick too. Alright, so I flipped it over so we can take a look at the underneath. So it looks like that's our drive motor. We got our blade, which, yeah, it's pretty sharp. Looks like that's our little fan on it for lift. Yeah. Nice all steel body. This plastic piece in the back here. Yeah, looks like some guides up here to try and keep the grass so you don't push the grass over as it's coming into the mower. It's kind of a nice feature. You know, decent tires. Tires are plastic though, no rubber on them, so that's a bit of a surprise. Should be fine, but and then a nice piece of rubber here for dragging behind, just to kind of seal it up. Yeah. Thanks for joining me for the Milwaukee M18 unboxing and kind of a little bit of a feature overview there and demonstration. Yeah, it'll probably a few weeks before I get a chance to actually use it, seeing as we still have a bit of snow on the ground here. So anyway, definitely once I get to use it a few times, I'll post a review and let you know what my thoughts are. But so far it looks really nice. I'm really impressed. So look forward to getting to put it through its paces. Thanks for watching, and yeah, please subscribe.